So I feel like it's really stupid that I have to make this video here. I suffer from repetitive, like, back injury pain. I'm at the point right now where I can barely walk across the house, take a pee, and get back into bed, which is where I stay all day. This is it. This is me, just chilling in bed. It's a mess. I don't want to show it all off. I'm literally nesting here. Like, I have food close to eat. I have, what, 2 sodas, sitting right next to me. I got a heating pad under my ass. I can't get out of bed. Every movement I make is torture. I am in pain so bad sometimes my brain does not function. I want the world to explode and just end so my pain ends, because I've been in so much pain constantly for the last month. It's been getting increasingly worse till where I've reached this point. Gone to the doctor twice. Ended up in the hospital the other day. Go to the hospital. They refuse to give me pain medication. It's their policy not to get pain medication. Okay, I get that. I'm not a pill chaser. I'm not there chasing opioids. But I show up to the hospital because I am out of options. I'm looking for compassion and help. And I go to the hospital. They leave me laying there in agony for 2.5 hours. This is the second time. This has happened to me before, and it's really fucking starting to piss me off. I'm in agony, just laying there in agony, please, begging them to help me make this stop. Find something to make this stop. They won't. They just push me aside. I see people coming in after me. They're going in and leaving, and they leave me in a stretcher in the frickin' hallway in agony. I'd rather been shot. I'd rather be shot. Because if you go to the ER being shot, they're going to do surgery on you. They're going to fix you up. They're going to give you pain medication for your pain that you're going through, right? I mean, one would hope so. My point is, as I go through, I'm talking to the doctor, bullshit my time, whatever. They clear me, they can give me some pain medication. Nurse comes in, sucking shit out of a fucking thingy to give me a shot in the arm. Cool. I ask her, hey, is that pain medication for nerve pain? Because I don't have muscle aches. I have a pinched sciatic nerve that is doing weird shit to my body, and it is unbearable. I'm telling you, it takes all my self-control not to take my pain out on others around me. I am doing my best to bear with it and let them do all the shit that they're doing and ask all the questions. But I am out of my mind in pain. And they keep fucking treating me like a second-class citizen. I have insurance. You work for me. I pay you. I need help with my pain, and you won't give me anything for my pain? Okay, so back to the nurse. I say, hey, nurse, is this medication good for nerve pain? She never told me what it was, by the way. They injected me. It could have been saline solution. I don't know. But I asked her, hey, whatever you're giving me, I really don't fucking care, but is it good for nerve pain? She says, this is one of the best for nerve pain. Absolutely. Sure. I'm like, cool. She gives me the shot. 20 later, I see little swimmers in front of my eyes. I don't know. Am I high? Am I stoned? I don't know. Am I just asking God for some relief? Hell yes, I am. But the pain's still the same. You know? And then after about like another hour or two, whatever, some of my labs come back. I'm like, dude, I've hit the button twice for pain because you haven't done anything yet. You haven't done anything yet. You've done a bunch of stuff, but not actually treated why I'm here or the situation, the event, why I showed up. So here I am, laying there in agony, still. And it comes and goes. Sometimes it's real fucking intense. Feels like all the legs, the bones in my leg are about to shatter. Like I'd rather have a broken leg, because then they'd set it, fix it, maybe give you something for the pain, whatever. It'd probably be like Tylenol 3. I get it, but at least they're trying, right? But that's a different kind of pain. See, nerve pain, doesn't matter if you fucking choke me with Oxycontins, it's not gonna work. I don't want fucking Oxycontins. I'm not there for drugs. I'm there for something to make the pain go away, please. Please, 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 please make the pain go away. Later on, they come in with a Percocet. They said, oh, we've been cleared to give you some pain medication. Here's a Percocet. I'm like, a Percocet? That is not for nerve pain. Well, no, not really. I'm telling you, lady, that will not help me. So you don't want it? I'm like, not really, but you should give it to me anyway. Because if there is some form of relief, I will be grateful for that. And as a fool, I say, if I come in here because I'm in pain and I refuse pain medication, does that mean that I'm not in pain? So I take the medication, knowing that it wouldn't work. So at the end of my hospital stay here, the doctor comes in, he's ready to discharge me and shit. I've seen everybody except for the acupuncturist, and I'm pissed because they were fucking bothering me so much. I didn't even have time for the acupuncturist. That would have been great. I would have been grateful if that shit would have helped. I would have taken the chance. But, again, these people are not here to help. So, doctor comes in. I'm talking to him about this, that, the other thing, and he's adamant that, look, we're not going to give you pain medication. I'm telling you, blah, blah, blah. It's against our policy. Oh, you want people to suffer and go to the street and buy street drugs because they can't do it the right way and show up to a doctor and get help? So I tell him this. I'd rather shoot myself in the fucking head than deal with this pain any fucking more. And he's just like, okay. They didn't call mental health nothing. Nothing. They don't care. They don't care if I'm suicidal because I'm in so much fucking pain. I'm not going to kill myself. I'm telling you right now, everybody out there, I'm not going to kill myself. I'm not that type. I get real low sometimes, and I wonder what's the point of going on. But I'm never going to fucking kill myself. I think life's too weird and interesting to abandon. I'm not that guy. I'm not going to do that. So I asked the doctor at the end of this whole thing, I'm like, that first shot that you gave me, I don't know what that was, but it didn't do anything for my pain. And then you prescribed me Percocet, which is not for nerve pain, right? And he's like, no. I'm like, so you knowingly prescribed me 2 medications that were not going to help me. You gave me stuff. You fed me drugs that were not going to help me, and in fact could damage me if I'm taking them for no reason, right? And what did he do? He said, oh, and turned his head to the side. And my sister was sitting there watching the whole thing. watching the whole thing as I talk to him and shit. Because you can have a visitor now, and that's why I asked my sister to come, because I felt like I was being unfairly treated, and if she had any questions, she should step in and say anything. Well, she's kind of a coward and didn't say anything, but she agreed with me that he was a dick, and they were obviously not trying to treat my situation. They were trying to just get me out of there. The one guy said, we can keep you here overnight. I'm like, what's the difference if you keep me here overnight and not do anything, or if I just go home while still nothing is being done? At least there I get a heating pad on my back, or can switch it to my leg as need be to help subside the pain a little bit. These guys are doing nothing. Nothing. So my question is, to all the people, fighting against the opioid crisis, has it gone too far now that those in need of pain medication can no longer get them? How many more doctors do I have to see where somebody helps me with the pain? I know I have a sciatic and degenerative disc disease, and bulges and herniated discs, and I know treating that, getting that fixed, will hopefully end the pain, because you can have surgery and your pain can be increased and it can be never ending also. So it's a 50-50. Maybe it helps you, maybe it doesn't, but I'm willing to take that chance now, because I can't function. I literally can't function in this amount of pain, and I've had it up to here with doctors who refuse to treat you, and I got to go another 4 days to see, PCP, whatever, personal care physician and stuff, which I do not have. So it's been 18 days since the first doctor appointment about this pain. That helped, they gave me some stuff that bolsters and helps, and it subsided the pain for a while. Then I go back and I got prednisone and some more muscle relaxers, which ease the pain, which is nice, but they don't stop the pain. I want zero pain, please. Zero pain. I'm getting older. The aches and pains, those little aches and pains, I don't even think about those. I'm like, oh, my shoulder's sore today, I must have slept wrong. Or, oh, my neck's sore, I slept wrong. But this has nothing to do with that, and it needs special treatment, and they're refusing. They're literally refusing to treat the pain. I know it's a symptom, but if somebody has COVID-19 and they're nauseous all the time, you give them something for nausea, right? You treat the symptom as well. I'm just frustrated and wondering why assholes keep treating me like this, because I just want help. I just want some compassion and some relief and some care. That's why I showed up. I can't do this on my own. There's nothing more homeopathic I can do. There's, the stretches ain't working. None of these things are working anymore to reduce or relieve any sort of pain. So you go to the doctor. Who do you go to? You go to the doctor, and they don't do shit. What do I do? Where do I go? To whom do I turn when doctors are giving me the wrong medication where they know it's not going to work? And then they just send you home without pretty much doing anything for the situation. It's like, if I couldn't breathe, then I go to the doctor and they check, well, how's his big toe? Does your big toe affect your breathing that much? I mean, they checked my kidney. They said I have a small kidney stone. They scanned my abdomen and my pelvis. Dude did not once look at my back or bring up anything about my back. Said you have a small kidney stone, but that's not causing all that pain. I know this. It's nice to know that I have a kidney stone. I'm glad you did the CT scan. But you're not fixing the problem that I showed up here for. It's like I showed up to play chess, and this guy pulls out Chutes and Ladders pieces. You are not on the same page as me. And that's what I need. That's what we all need, is somebody that's going to listen and be on the same page with you. So my question is, why in the fuck is this happening to me? Why can I not get valuable, credible medical treatment? And pain care, pain management. Tell me, hey, we'll send you over here to the pain management place. Cool, send me over there. Nothing. These guys didn't give me anything. They said, hey, we'll shoot you to the back and spine specialist on Monday. You can set up an appointment. I'm like, cool, but if I wait till the 18th, I get a neurosurgeon goddamn fucking recommendation. Your back and spine shit's fine, but this neurosurgeon is probably going to do more than that fucking guy. I'm saying, because this is nerve pain that I'm dealing with. This is a very real fucking thing. It's not just in my head. It's not illusion. I'm not making it up. I'm not making believe or pulling out an act to get fucking drugs. So, why? Why are they treating me this way? Why can't I get any relief? I'm about to lose everything. I can't go to work anymore. Because I can't take the fucking pain. This all started last Wednesday? When I went to the doctor, just for the second time for this, I tried to wait. I tried to wait till the 18th. I could not make it. I went back. That's when they got me the prednisone and the other shit, muscle relaxers to help relieve the pain, to hopefully get me to the 18th. 2 days later, that shit ain't working. I ended up in the hospital, and they didn't do shit. Not one goddamn thing to help me. Not one goddamn thing. So fuck you. Fuck you, Aurora. Fuck you, West Dallas Memorial Hospital and shit. The place I was born at. The place that I was like, last time I went to Freighter, I was like, I'm never going to go to Freighter again, because they did the same thing. I had an ear infection that closed up so tight. My eardrum was crushed by the pressure. I was losing my mind. I wanted to break everything around me. And I'm telling these people, like, what the fuck do I have to do to get seen by a doctor? Because I'm fucking barely hanging on. The pain is so bad. I'm good at making that face because I've been in that kind of pain before. And I wish I was harder to forget. But what do I do? Where do I go? Who do I talk to? Where's a good doctor? Who the hell is gonna give a fuck anymore? That's what I want to know.